Hey! So today we are here at Busch Gardens Tampa. We're gonna check out some of the rides, some of the animals, and much, much more.
Stick around. So as we said before, we are at Busch Gardens today. And we're gonna start off hot with some ride footage.
Ride after ride after ride.
We're gonna start off with Cheetah Hunt. In my opinion, one of my favorite rides here.
So cool.
It's really cool. So you guys get to see that right now. Here you go.
Have fun. So good.
I love Cheetah Hunt.
Cheetah Hunt's my favorite.
What are your thoughts?
I've never sat in the front row, so that's so fun. You get like burst of air and just feel all of the speed of Cheetah Hunt, and it's so fun.
Mm-hmm. I love how you kind of like glide through the Serengeti a little bit, like a cheetah running. Like that's a really cool theme that they did with that. So now we are going to head over to another ride that I love here, and I honestly think Disney needs to take this like ride system and apply it to the Disney parks. And it's called Cobra's Curse, and you'll see it right here. The car is free spin, which is really kind of cool in certain parts. So enjoy Cobra's Curse.
Another good one.
See, the thing I like about it is how compact this coaster really is.
Oh yeah.
So you could easily fit this in a really small section of anywhere in like a Disney park, and it would be
Magic
awesome.
Kingdom, for example.
If this was to be fit somewhere in like Adventureland, I think it would work.
Oh yeah.
I'd have to look at the map again and like walk through Adventureland to see that, but I honestly think a ride system like this at Disney would do really, really, really well.
It'd be so cool. Maybe themed to Yzma and Kronk.
That would be amazing. I actually really hope that would happen.
Right. One day. We can always hope.
We can hope. Come on. Bring Emperor's New Groove into the parks. Please.
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 Oh.
And now for our next ride.
Montu.
Montu.
Yeah. Another great one. Funny story. So as we were riding it, right when we were about to go on, the car in front of us, it like rained.
Pouring rain. Like full on Florida pour.
Yeah.
and then it stopped.
It stopped right when we got on. It was so fun.
It was perfectly sunny. So I'm like, okay, thanks, Florida.
Yeah,
yes,
Florida, you're great.
Thank you. Don't let us talk crap about you. You're great. We love you, but really, like,
yeah,
5 minutes, literally just 5 minutes of rain, and then it's done.
Yeah. So how do we like the ride?
I loved it. I love how intense it is. You feel the G-forces on that ride
everywhere.
Like, it does not stop. All right.
So now we're walking through the Serengeti.
Yeah, let's see some animals.
Yeah.
Same thing, bird. Same thing. Same.
I love him. Hi, buddy. Look at him jumping.
Somebody's hungry.
Yeah.
You're hungry too?
I'm hungry too.
But we have an animal in front of us.
But he's eating, and now I'm jealous. I want to eat.
So Alex keeps pestering me about food.
I'm hungry.
We know.
I'm hungry.
So
I'm hungry. You get the point.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food now.
Yeah.
All right. So we were on our way to go get food,
Yeah.
and then we noticed that Shikra was a 5-minute wait.
So we went, drop everything and go.
Yeah. We didn't get any ride footage of it just because we didn't want to get the chest mount and all that stuff back out.
Yeah.
And also because it was Alex's first time and my first time riding this ride, so we wanted to just experience it
and
first.
not just this ride, first style of this ride ever. We've never been on a style ride like this, so we had to go.
So just to kind of give you an idea, it's really, really tall. It's a vertical drop, so it's 90 degrees straight down. But what they do is when you get over the edge of the first hill, they hold you there, looking down for like 10 to 15 seconds.
Yeah.
And then it releases you, and then you go on through the ride.
Into a 90-degree drop.
So after we got off of Shikra, then we found out we are really hungry. So we decided to stop by the Zambia Smokehouse. Check it out.
We'll check it out, see what it has to offer.
Yeah. So this is all barbecue food. Yeah, and it looks really, really good. Kind of like their entrees, which is like slow cooked rib sampler, is $17, and it gives you St. Louis ribs, chicken, and smoked sausage. And then their brisket sampler gives you sliced brisket, chicken, and smoked sausage. Both of those are $17. And then if you want the St. Louis rib platter, same thing, $17. And then half chicken is $13.
Yeah.
So a little bit on the pricier side, but everything looks and smells so good right now that I'm actually really excited to try this.
So I got the pulled pork sandwich sampler, or not sampler, it was just a platter, sorry. So it's the sandwich pulled pork platter that has the pulled pork sandwich, comes with beans and fries. Let's go try it all out. Those are really good. They have a really nice flavor and just your typical barbecued beans, and they're so good. But now for the main attraction. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so good. I haven't had barbecue in so long. It is so good. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just the barbecue sauce is so sweet, but it also has that kind of spice to it. So good.
Right, so I decided to get the brisket sampler. So that comes with, like we said before, brisket, smoked sausage, and chicken with fries. And then I also got a dessert with it because of, annual pass. So that was cool, so I got some chocolate cake. This looks and smells amazing. Come here. Come to this smokehouse over here over by Shikra. It is so good. It's on the pricier side, but you definitely get your money's worth. Sorry if it's loud, Shikra's right above us. But it is so good. Definitely come and check it out. It has a great taste. That was a good day.
It really was.
So let's see, we rode a ton of rides.
Yeah, like 5?
A lot.
A lot.
I don't even remember, I lost count.
Yeah, same.
We saw some cool animals.
Oh yeah.
We had some amazing food.
So good.
So,
the
Zambia, the Zambia Smokehouse over by Shikra. Go check it out.
Yeah.
We definitely will be back.
Oh,
this is becoming one of my new favorite parks. It's a trek for us because it is out in Tampa, but it's totally worth it.
Yeah, and it's only an hour and a half.
Yeah.
And honestly, if you come on a weekday, no one's really here.
No.
So it's really worth the trek to come out on a weekday.
Yeah. Make sure you guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good
Ding,
stuff
ding,
down
ding,
below.
ding.
You know the drill. Do it.
Got this.
Do
it now.
I think we're going to leave it here for today.
Yeah.
We'll catch you on the flip side, and we'll see you next time on the EAZ.